welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. So in this video, we are going to share what we ate in Diani on a budget. We had two budgets. We had $10 budget and $4 budget. So join us as we enjoy our meals. First things first, we are staying at the Leopards Beach Resort and Spa in Diani. So obviously our first meal will be there. And when I will be doing the review of the restaurant, I will tell you why I don't have a detailed video of what we ate at Leopards. So stay tuned and look out for a subsequent video and check out the travel vlogs on Just World YouTube channel. We decided to take a walk and explore Diani. Our first stop was this restaurant, Leonardo's. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right. It is an Italian restaurant in the coastal region of Kenya. So as you can see the menu, that is what they have on offer. Leonardo's is situated in Colliers Center on Diani Beach Road, that is in Diani Beach, and Diani is in Ukunda. According to travelers' rating, they have excellent at 158 reviews, very good at 126, average at 34, poor at 14, and terrible at 8. So I would say they are fairly good. So we ordered our meal, and before the meal was served, we were served with this appetizer. So let's taste it. We had to mute the video to avoid a copyright, so here I am asking her how it was. And we could start, feel like that. We observed that without the sauce, it was very nice and not chili. But it's nice. Spicy but very nice. Finally, our main meal was here, and this is what we had. The way the food was presented was not so appealing or outstanding, or perhaps was not what I would have expected from an Italian restaurant. Comment down below and share your take. this was our next eating point, and this is coastal dishes in Diani. So this is what they have to offer. One thing I loved about their meals, they are affordable and they are really nice. So you can always check them out. So this is the meal for $4. Na mchuzi, inaitwa mchuzi. What did you expect?
Like the other chicken we had.
And for half price. For half price. Rate it.
It's actually well cooked.
It's well cooked.
The spices they use. Ndo kidogo sijui wanatumia nini. Haifurahishi.
So between 1 and 10, 10 being the highest.
Like a 5.
5 is not bad.
A week 5.
A week 5.
Yeah.
In the previous one we had
Compared to this.
no rating 1 to 10.
Okay. The chicken.
Yeah.
It was like an 8.5.
An 8.5. And the price is double this. So you see, it doesn't necessarily mean chicken is chicken. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We look forward to your feedback as to the videos you want us to share on this channel. So in the meantime, see you on our next one. Bye.